Dum 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 dum. My name is Steve, and what I'm going to tell you is a couple ways. So we also like to have a few online my papa did it. Let's just say you have to have a couple of just opening things. You have to have things and maybe you probably need to string about 2 inches, and then you need last on or if you're put around the tooth. It's a nightmare for air travel. And I put a little earth and whoever is doing it or getting it, you have to hold, not really hard and also, there's another way. Take a paper clip. No, not a paper clip. Haley, what is that thing called that you try to pull my tooth out with? Oh, a bobby pin. And take string, put the bobby pin to the tooth, and just pull the string. And if it's really loose, it'll just fall out. And also with your hand, if it's really loose, if it's really loose, you just like move it around. And then you squeeze it really loose. Let's just say you want if your mouth are bloody, you can knock on or something and put it on, and take warm salt water, put it like this on, gargle like that, and spit it out. And that will sort of massage it a little, and also not make it bad. And that's my video of how to do the teeth.